Hey guys, geeking to everyone. On this video, I'm going to continue my 1 month Python course with ChatGPT bot. So let's start. So today is day number 7. Let's check my plan. So day number 7, the topic is practice exercises. Solve simple programming problems to reinforce what you've learned so far. Okay, I'm gonna copy all these topics. Okay. And I'm gonna ask ChatGPT bot to provide the information for day number 7. Okay, here we go. I'm waiting for reply from ChatGPT bot. Okay, and I'm asked to provide the answers. So there is explanation for all tasks. So let's zoom in. So day number 7 of the Python course is dedicated to practice exercises that helps reinforce the concepts learned in previous days. These exercises are designed to provide hands-on experience and solidify your understanding of Python programming. Below are a few examples of practice exercises you might encounter on day number 7. So first exercise is calculate the average. Write a Python program that prompts the user to enter a list of numbers separated by spaces. Calculate the average of those numbers and display the results. Okay, there is an example. Okay, let's see how you can solve this task, how you can calculate. Okay, there is a code, how you can do that. And there is a explanation. The program prompts the user to enter a list of numbers separated by space. Okay, here the numbers. The input is then split into individual numbers using the split function, which returns a list of strings. So here, split method can help you do this in this way. Next, the variable total is initialized to keep track of the sum of the numbers. There is a total variable and 0 number assigned to this variable. Next, the program iterates over each number in the list and adds it to the total after converting it to a float using float function. Okay, here you can see how you can perform it. Finally, the average is calculated by dividing the total by the length of the list and displayed as output. So here you can see how you can perform it. Okay, here we go. Also, you can find other tasks. I recommend you to do it by yourself. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you like it. Ciao, ciao.